Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix this morning, we have LaDonna. That's Michelle LaDonna. And she's speaking about a situation where um, Andre Stevens have, allegedly came out and spoke about Miss Kitty, saying that she is fake, allegedly. So she's defending Miss Kitty and saying that, as people of the media, we sometimes come out and reenact situations that we already know, but it's a reenactment. And so she's saying that sometimes we have to watch what we say, because we don't know the situation. She's, however, going after Andre for the things that he did, prior to, talking about Miss Kitty. So go ahead and watch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
All right, I go just real quick. All right, so you have content creators, right? When they want to show their audience, their fans, the viewers, the watchers, whatever you want to call them, their subscribers, when they want to show them what they do on a daily basis, right? Or what they get up to in a day, they start from in the morning when they're in bed, right? So they reenact. They wake up in the morning. This is what these people do, right? They wake up in the morning. They set up their camera. They press record and they jump back into bed. Then you see them doing like this. Them yawn, rub eyes, some read Bible, some take up the phone, scroll through, right? All sorts, right? The usual. This is what we do, isn't it? Some of we all poop. Not true. Allow me to tell. We cough, would do all kind of things. They reenact, right? They're depicting what happens, right? It's called vlogging or blogging or whatever, right? They're also creating memories as well. Now, Miss Kitty went on to CVM TV. She works for the TV station. And she went on, she did a sonogram, right? And she was, she appeared to be, surprised, ecstatic, like, wow, like, yeah. I didn't see anything wrong with it, right? Because truth be told, we've been new. We kind of suspected that she was pregnant. Well, let's not say we, some of us, right? Some of us, because we don't want to assume and speculate when somebody, has, they've got a raised tummy, because it could be that, they've added weight, right? They're, premenstrual, right? They're experiencing bloating or something like that. And you know that some of these people, when they had, they had their BBLs, right? They tend to gain weight in the midsection here. Very easy. That's why they have to exercise constantly, and they have to wear this waist training thing, because they gain weight. So we must never assume that somebody is pregnant. But I want to say most of us kind of suspected that she was pregnant. So we kind of put, one on one together, make two, say, okay, maybe she got pregnant and then she got married. Fine. Nothing's wrong with that. Right? In my opinion, I didn't think anything of it. I was just elated. We were ecstatic. Right? So now she did her sonogram on the air. And we tune in, we watch, and, we enjoyed it. We celebrated with her. Wonderful. Here comes Andre Stevens, which say I'm very fond of Andre Stevens, but we're going to call a spade a spade. Here comes Andre Stevens calling out Miss Kitty for what? I do not know. But Andre Stevens said that Miss Kitty is fake, because she'd been new, so she knew that she's pregnant. She knew that she was pregnant, and she's coming on the air to pretend as if it's the first time, and it's a new, she just get pregnant and the belly hole and all of these things. And I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, what does that have to do with we? What does that have to do with you? You are the last person, Andrea Stevens, you are the last person for come out on social media and tell somebody say them fake. The last time me check, I never you record people without their knowledge. I never you record people without their consent. And never you you manipulated people over the phone for divulge information that you would one day use as ammunition to cripple them. I know you right now is being sued, right? Well, you have to pay damages, isn't it? Because of things where you say. You put out false information out there and people sue you. Then who faker than you? As much as me like you, I gotta tell you the truth. You might not like it. I don't might think say sell out and betrayal or whatever. Listen, as me say, nobody come with that. You understand? You say you talk the truth and people don't want to talk the truth. Well, me, I gotta tell you the truth. As far as me concerned, you are the fakest person in a social media right now. Because we trusted you. The masses trusted you. We were leaning on you. We were depending on you. But yet still, you recorded someone without their permission. And a dancehall queen entrusted you with vital information. Dancehall queen Carlene was divulging information which she shouldn't even tell you in the first place. She shouldn't keep it for herself. Girl code, confidentiality. And she tell you, she was trusting you with this information. And before we know it, it gone out. You made the decision to, you're going to come and say, you were advised. People tell you, say, if somebody tell you to jump off a cliff, you're going to do it? Are you going to do it knowing say you're going to drop and pop your neck and die? You got dead it. Are you going to do it? But still, you did that. Right? You did that. Because you had the intention to use the information as a weapon to wound the next person. Right? So nobody come on social media, come tell nobody say they're fake. Don't do it. You're going to come say, fake. Fake for what? Fake for her coming on the air. This is the station where she get her bread and butter. Right? And she have her audience. Right? Fans, supporters. People will admire her look. And she's sharing her excitement. She's reenacting. Right? Therefore, her unborn baby, when that baby born, right? And when the baby grow up and have sense, the baby can watch on the internet and read the beautiful comments, right? We're living in a day and age where we share everything with the public. That's why you have photos, videos, reels, posts, because you write posts, motivating posts, or whatever way you're feeling. They ask you, how are you feeling? And you can write how you're feeling. There's emojis and all of that for sure how you're feeling. It's there. It's like a video, like a video log. You know what I mean, Larry? You're documenting, what goes on, right, on a daily basis if you choose to post daily, right? That's what you're doing. And she's reenacting, right? And it's still a beautiful moment. You're going to see, that little image, and you're going to be like, oh my God. No matter if you see it 10 times for the day, you're going to like, oh my God, that's so, you might have even shed tear, because you're so happy. You don't know what she went through prior to her getting pregnant. You don't know if she had struggles. You don't know. You understand? So even if she go on like she excited or whatever, let's celebrate that. Let's celebrate that. Why would you come out? The thing is, you've got such a large audience and you're such an influential person as well. Well, to me, no, not anymore, if I'm being honest. You understand? Because of the things and what you do. Right? So I don't really see you in a certain light anymore. And I'm just being honest. Right? I like you as a person, but the things and what you do is foul. Right? They're full. So me not really look on you in other way. So nobody come and tell the lady that she fake because she's sharing with the public her excitement. She's reenacting. You understand? She's vlogging. She's sharing it with us. And that's why people don't want to share certain things. That's why you see me study the media. That's why you see me. No matter what me achieve, no matter what me buy, no matter where me go, I don't post it. Because someone wanna chat too much. You can't just say congratulations and move right along. You understand? In this case, there was nothing to dissect or there's nothing to scrutinize, right? The fact of the matter, whether you want to say, oh, she do a shotgun wedding because, you know, she got knocked up or whatever before, because maybe you're looking and say, okay, she's always the man have to put a ring on her finger before she, you know, before she get pregnant or whatever. I don't care. Whether the baby come first or second, or the marriage come first or second, the fact of the matter is that the man was responsible enough to stand beside her and, like I said before, make an honest woman out of her. Because, sweetheart, look around you. 3/4 will not have no father, right? The man them breed we up and run gone about them business. So we, our people, we're a butt of a joke. We are the butt of a joke because fatherless. We don't have no father. You understand? So you know that joke where other ethnicity make about we is about us not having our dads around. You know that painful one where it's so selfish for them to make that joke? Yes. Because no father not their own. So the fact is that he been knew, as how the Americans them talk, he been knew, say she want to get married, right? She need that ring on her finger, right? So yes, they were having unprotected sex. Not how we do it. That's why we have babies and we're not married. You understand? Because we have unprotected sex and the man them gone left we. So they were dating for quite some time. They're not new to this, and the relationship not new. It new to we, but new to them. They've been going out. They've been having unprotected sex, and we don't know if they actually planned. Suppose they want to see if something are going down there. So you understand? Before them tie the knot. We don't know. We don't know the people them business, but the outcome is beautiful, and at that we want more of that. We don't want fatherless children. We don't want, what you would have prefer? You'd have prefer and get her pregnant and run down left her and not married to her, none at all. That you would have want. Then would have chat. And this one would have chat. But he value her so much. He value what she believes in and what she stands for, and even himself as well. Maybe because I'm not the first man get married. So for sure you say him believe in the whole constitution of marriage. You understand? For no say, yo, me go take a woman and call her my wife. You understand? He's done it before, so he doesn't seem like the type of person based on his track record to just have a woman a yard and not commit to her. Whether it's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, that's how I'm believing and she believe in that as well. That's what they both believe in. They believe in a marriage. So no matter, Andre, if the baby, right, or it doesn't matter. She got what she wanted. And they're both happy. And that's all that matters. And they share the experience with us. Right? And I'm happy that they share the experience with us. I'm not care if she come out tomorrow morning and behave surprised again. Elated and shocked. And, oh my God, me not care. Because I'm feeling like that. Yes. Yes. You know how hard it is for some women to get pregnant? You know how hard? And some women, so many women all around the world, them still can't conceive. So let's not, I could just dead it now. You see, when you see somebody come out like, and then get pregnant, no matter how, right? Let's just celebrate. Let's celebrate. And this is something to celebrate, right? And this is something where we need to encourage people. Me tell them already, married, don't run away, Be committed, be faithful, right? Raise your children in love.